Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a self-care routine, or just kind of like, yeah, I guess this is kind of my routine. The only time I've done this really is when I filmed my last video, and I do like little things here and there, but I don't even know what I'm saying. Like, I usually do this stuff regularly. Like, things I'm gonna do in this video are like face mask, whitening my teeth. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done in like 10 minutes. So that's gonna be the first thing. But yeah, usually they don't really overlap. But right now, I am just at, like, okay, anyway, yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do is do my eyebrows and my lip. I don't know how much I'm actually gonna film in there though, because my mom is just gonna drop me off and then take my brother to a bookstore near there. So it's like just gonna be me and the lady. So like, I don't know if I'll vlog, but I'll vlog like the store and stuff. So yeah, let's go get our eyebrows done. So before I get in the bath, I'm going to do a face mask, and I'm going to use this one. This is what it's called. It is a pore cleansing clay mask, and I was going to use another one that's just like black and it really gets out all my pores. Or no, not pores. Can you get pores out? I don't even know. Like, it just gets out all their blackheads and stuff out of your skin. But I didn't want people to think that I was like black facing. Obviously, I don't even know. There's like a couple comments and I just like do not want that at all. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one. I think this one is pink. Okay, yeah, no, it's pink. So that'll be fun. I don't think I've used a pink face mask before. I'm gonna use this little brush. It's by Bare Minerals to put it on. Oh wait, I'm gonna put this little headband on too. Wow, I like, hold on, should I take my hair out then? Because I really just look bald. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh shoot, didn't see that. But I was going to put the lid on because I was gonna like whatever pose with this, and it shot off my brush onto the wall, so okay, whatever. Okay, the face mask is on. This is, I don't know what that was. The face mask is on. This is what it looks like. It's like whitish, pinkish. It feels really good. Let's see, I don't know how long I have to leave it on for. Directions. Leave on for 10 minutes and allow mask to dry. Rinse off with water and then lightly pat dry. It is 3:24 right now, so I will see you guys at 3:34. Oh wait, I'm gonna put my hair back for this. I'm so red. My face mask is now off. My face feels good. Feels very soft. I got my sleeves all wet. Now let's take a bath because it is needed. Okay, I am back and I got a bath bomb. This is the one I'm gonna use. So I got it when we were in Europe, and I never really use bath bombs. I just put them in my room for decoration and they just make my room smell good, but I'll use them for a video because they're cute. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like and then some of the products I use. And I will see you after my bath. Sorry that my dog is barking. Okay, so the next step is to whiten our teeth, and I'm going to be using this Nova Shine teeth whitening kit, and they actually sent this to me, so thank you guys so much. I'm really excited to use this. I've seen a lot of people do it. I'm really excited for like it to glow blue, but yeah, also to whiten my teeth because I feel like they're like fine right now, but I haven't been taking really good care of them, so they don't really feel great. But there are some pointers that they wanted me to say on it. So I usually use those Crest 3D white strips. This is 8 times more effective than those strips, and it's less time, which I feel like is actually a big factor for me. This you have to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. but the Crest 3D white strips you have to leave on for half an hour, and I don't know if you guys have ever had those, but they make my teeth like, I don't know, it just gets really uncomfortable after that amount of time. Like, it's just really slimy. And then it only requires 4 to 5 uses to see maximum results. So that's literally like 40 minutes. I mean, you can't really do it all in a day, but like in total. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I was gonna try it out before I made a video on it, but now I'm just doing it on video. It gives you this instruction sheet to show you how to do it. So before whitening, rinse your mouth or gently brush your teeth, which I just did. Also, it has a little key. Oh, we should do this before we start. Of like whitest to not white. So let's see where we are. I feel like I'm not that. That looks like foundation. Like, hello. Okay, I'm just gonna say I'm this one, kind of, because I feel like I'm not as white as that, but like, I'm gonna say I'm a 4. I feel like that looks so yellow though. Am I a 4? Okay, we're gonna say a 3 to make me feel better. We're a 3, so we're trying to get to a 1. Okay, so this is the mouthpiece. There's a little bag for it, which is nice. These plugs, I guess, do you have to charge it? Oh, I'm not really in focus, sorry. Hi. Oh, these are filled with gel. Okay, so I guess that you get 2 uses out of a package, right? Do you have to do all this? Apply whitening gel to upper and lower walls of the mouthpiece. Do not place gel on the parts you bite on. Wait, what? 1 millimeter thick? Hold on, I am going to look up how to do this because I don't get where it says like put it on the top or bottom but not like on the mouthpiece. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I figured out how to do it. I have to take, here, let me show you what it looks like. It's this gel, and I like how it's in this bottle. It's so easy to just put out. I don't know, like 1 millimeter, that's kind of specific, but I guess you definitely have more than 2 uses because you're not going to use all this. And also you have to plug it into an outlet for it to glow. So it's this little plug, so you plug it into here. It's like another little cord thing, and then you can plug it into your phone, a charger, or a MacBook, which is so nice. I think this is a MacBook one, but I'm just gonna put it into my phone. Wait, I don't know if I'm supposed to plug it in yet. I'm gonna do this first. So by not putting it on the place you bite down, it just says don't put it here, but you need to put it here. So like up in the bottom, but not on this part. So let's put it on. I'm kind of scared. I don't want to do it wrong. I just squirted out so much. I'm just gonna spread it out. Okay, I think I'm good. Now I'm gonna put the lid on this thing. It is 1041, so let me plug it in. I only kept that on 10 minutes. I usually try and do the max of things. Like I would have kept it on for 15, but that gel at the end was like tasted so bad. I couldn't really taste it, but at the end, oh girl, I really needed to get that out of my mouth. This is what they look like after. Hold on, I'll go, well, here. I'll go back though to the same lighting and see what it looks like. But honestly, that wasn't bad though, because it's only 10 minutes and I'd rather do something quick, even if it got like bad at the end, than like do something for like 30 minutes. Let's go back to the same lighting and see what shade we are. Wait, I feel like they do look whiter. Is that just me? Wait, I feel like that's a low-key a 1. Like, no, they're not like super white, but like, I don't know. I feel like we're 1 to 3. But yeah, that's so cool. You get a lot of gel because I still have this much left. And you get 2 of them. So thank you, Nova Shine, for sponsoring this. I'm definitely going to be doing this consistently so I can get whiter teeth. Oh, for even better results, it says avoid dark drinks. Had coffee this morning. Use daily. Oh, okay. Then I guess I'll use it every night, or maybe every other night. Eat healthy foods and extend usage time. Yay. So I'm gonna put it in this little bag.